Alright, so we're going to check out this Canon replacement battery for digital cameras like the point-and-shoot Elph models. This one was ordered on Amazon. There were two for $7, the cheapest on there, and by I believe EForcity, and they fit the camera perfectly. They are for the Canon NB-11 or N11BL battery. They pretty much are exactly like the batteries that come with the actual camera, the OEM camera batteries you can see here, in terms of size and design. They're actually more in terms of the milliamps. I believe this is 1,000 milliamps, and the stock one is like 680 or about there. So they fit in the charger and the camera, and the charge holds pretty well. That's it for this Canon replacement battery. Thanks for watching.